mathematics, that is multiples and factors. Okay, so good morning, all of you. My name is Vishal Khiste. I am from Shivdi Crossroad MPS, and my administrative officers are Mrs. Snehalata Thumbre, PO officer are Mr. Sharad Kurade sir, Nodal HM Mrs. Paul ma'am, Assistant Nodal HM Manpreet ma'am, and CNO Mr. Ratilal sir. So good morning all of you, and today we are going to learn multiples and factors. Multiples. The first subtopic of our multiples and factors are multiples. Then what is multiples?
We will doing multiply.
Yes, we will do multiply, and the answer whatever we have given.
Or one more number in
Product of two or more numbers is the multiple of the numbers that are multiplied.
Very good. The product of two or more numbers is the multiple of numbers that are multiplied. It means that whenever we are going to multiply any two number, that is, for example, here we have given 6 multiplied by 5, and the answer is a product of that two numbers, that 6 and 5 is the product, is equal to 30. So 30 is the product of these two numbers. So likewise, we are also supposed to multiple more than two numbers, like 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So these are three numbers. Whenever we multiply these three numbers,
5 8 are 40.
we get 40 numbers. Likewise,
And 5 30.
very good. Anyone example, another example rather than these two examples?
Yes, sir. 5 7 are 5 7 35.
Very good. 5 multiplied by 7, then the answer, the product will be 5
5
7s.
multiplied by 5. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5 are 25. 25 5 are
125. Very good.
Yes.
Very good. The product of three numbers, that is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 equal to 125. Very good. So likewise, if I multiplied 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10, so we get the product of 140. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So next is properties of multiples. Means how to identify these are multiples and all. So the first property of multiple is, anybody?
Every number is a
Every number is a multiple of 1 and a multiple of itself.
Very good.
Like 14 ones are 14, 15 ones are 15.
Very good. So every number is a multiple of 1. It means that in the whole our universe, any number, whenever we are going to pick any number and multiply it by 1, so the product of that two numbers are always the number which is multiplied by 1. So the number is always itself. So example are 20 multiplied by 1. 20 multiplied by 1 is 20. 13 multiplied by 1 is 13. Likewise, 25 multiplied by 1, 25. 37 multiplied by 1,
31, 37.
Very good. So the every yes. So the first property of multiple is every number is a multiple of 1 and a multiple of itself. Okay. Next, second property. The multiple.
4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16.
Yes. First of all, we have to check out what is the second property of multiple. The multiple of a number are endless. Thus, there is no greatest multiple of number. Yes, the multiple of number are endless. Endless in the same it means that it is up to the infinity. We can multiply the numbers up to the infinity. For example, if we take any number 4, we have taken 4 number, and we are going to multiply by 1. 4 multiplied by 1, that is 4 ones are 4. If we multiplied by 2, 4 twos are 8. If we multiplied by 3, 4 threes are 12. If we multiplied by 4, it is 16. Likewise, if we multiplied by 10, 4 tens are 40. If we multiply it by 15, so 4 multiplied by 15, what will be the answer? Anybody? 4 multiplied by 15.
4, 5, 20.
15, 15, 15, 60.
60.
60.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. So we can multiply endless up to the infinity to the any number. If we pick one number and multiply to any number up to the infinity, there is no greatest multiple of number. Okay. Next, how to find multiples? Yes, how to find multiples. This is most important thing, that how we have to find that it is multiple or not. So there is
To find the multiples of a numbers, multiply it by 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on.
And so on.
very good. Previously we have seen that we multiply 4 by 1, 4 by 2, 4 by 3, 4 by 4. Likewise, continue 4 by 10, 4 by 20, 4 by 15. Likewise, if we want to find any multiple, so we have to multiply it by 1, 2, 3, 4 up to the infinity. So on. It is continuous. For example, first 5 multiples of 7. First 5 multiples of 7 means from where we have to start. Huh?
5 sevens are.
No. Here is find the first 5 multiples of 7. So from where we have to start?
So from 7 fives are.
No. It is the first 5. So we have to start from 1. We have to start from
7 from the 7 to the 14, 7 to the 21, 7 4 the 20, 7 5 the 35.
Very good. So we have to multiply like this. 7 multiplied by 1, it is 7. 7 multiplied by 2, it is 14.
7 4 the 28, 7 5 the 35.
Very good. So these are first 5 multiples of 7, which are 7, 14, 21, 28, and 35. These are 5 multiples of 7. So this is the method where we can find multiples. Okay. Now next, find the first 5 even multiple of 3. So anybody?
3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 16.
No. Read question carefully. What we have
Find
given?
the first 5 even
multiple.
of 3. So
Yes.
6,
First of all, even number. Tell me the even numbers. First 5 even numbers.
0, 2, 4, 6, 6, 8.
Yes. So these are first 5 even numbers, and we have to multiply by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are
6
12.
and 4, 12 and 88, 24 and 30 are even number.
Yes. So first of all, every time you have to
3 4s are 12, 3 6s are 18, 3 8s are 24, 3 10s are 30.
yes. So the first and important thing is every time we have to read a question carefully, because the half answer is given in the question also. So that's why always don't hurry to read the question and start answering. So because of that, we get a small mistakes, and it loses mark. So that's why every time read question carefully and then understand it and then answer it. Okay. Find the first 5 odd multiples of 9. Anybody?
9 1s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 9 5s are 9, 9 1s are 9, 9 3s are
9 5 are 45.
9 5s are 45.
9 5s are 45.
9 7 are 63.
Yes, so 9 7s are
81.
9 10s are 90.
9 10s are
9. And so 90 is odd number or even number.
10 is a odd number.
Son 18, sorry, 18 not 9 and 9
9
27.
9s are 81.
Very good.
9 3s are 27 and 9 5s are 45, 9 7s are 63 and 9 9s are 81. These are odd
Ah,
numbers.
These are 5 odd multiples of 9. Not odd numbers. These are multiples. So 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27, 9 fives are 45, 9 sevens are 63, and 9 nines are 81. So
81.
these are 9, 27,
5 odd
45, 63, and 81.
multiples.
First 5 odd multiples of 9. Very
9.
good. So the next of our topic is factors. So what is factors? Anybody have any idea about factors?
So factors is a part of whole.
Very good. Factors is a
A
part.
number- If
So
a number A can be divided by number B complete, then B is called a factor of A.
very good.
A
If
upon B.
if a number A can be divided by number B completely, then B is called a factor of A. For example, here are some examples. 6 multiplied by 5 equal to 30, and 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5 equal to 40. So I think you get confused that here is a factors, and sir given us that these are multiples. Yes or no?
Yes, 7 to the 14 and sorry, 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5.
But these are these numbers are factors or multiples? These are multiples. But in that, if we divide 30 by 5, then we get answer 6. If
5
we
5 is 25 and
5 6
30.
35, अगर हम if we divide 30 by 5, then we get answer 6. Likewise, if we divide 40 by 4, we get answer 8. If we divide 40 by 4, we get answer 10. If we divide 40 by 2, we get answer 20. Okay. So these are factors of number 30 and 40.
So 21 are 31 are 41 are.
Yes. Listen carefully first of all. So in these examples, the factor of 30 are 6 and 5. These are factors of 30. Likewise, the factors of 40 are 2, 4, and 5. Understand? Likewise, if I take one example of 15. So 15 is multiplied by 3 into 5. So the factors of 15 are 3 and 5. If I take another example, likewise, 27. So 27 is multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, 9. 3 multiplied by 9. So the factors of 27 are 3 and 9. 3 nines are 27. Okay. So 1 is a factor of all numbers. Properties of factors are 1 is a factor of all numbers. Yes. You can multiply 1 by any number, you will get the same number. We have learned in previous slide. Okay. So likewise, 1 is a factor of all numbers. Understand? Next, properties of factors. A number is a factor of itself. It means that number is also a factor of itself. Whenever we are going to multiply 20 into 1, the answer is 20. So the factors of 20 are 20 and 1. If we multiplied 13 by 1, the answer is 13. So the factors of 13 are 13 by 1. Understand? The factors of a number is a smaller than or equal to the number. The factor of number is a smaller than or equal to the number. So here is an example for factors of 14. Factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7, and 14. In simple way, we can understand that the number 14 comes in which table? So in one table, table of 1, table of 2, table of 7, and table of 14. So in all tables, the number 14 is is there. So that's why these are factors of 14. Do you get my point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7, and 14. It means that these are 14 number is coming in all these tables of 1, 2, 7, and 14. If we take example of 15, if we take examples of 15,
15.
15
So
in which
15 means one.
uh,
15 will be coming one tables and 3
3
and 5
uh,
and 7.
and 15 itself. Very good. 1, 3, 5, and 15 itself. These are factors of
So
15.
12.
Now,
12. One example of 12.
okay, example of 12. Tell me the factors of 12.
1, 2,
Uh,
and 3,
uh,
4,
uh,
3, 6,
uh.
and was only 6 and 12 itself.
Very good, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 itself. These are factors of 12. Very good. Now next, every number has at least two factors. That is 1 and itself. It means that every number have minimum two factors. These are the number itself and 1. In every number, 1 is always a factor.
15 ones are 15, 12 ones are 12, 13 ones are 13.
Yes, 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 yes. So in every number there is factor 1
Seven,
and
7, 2
itself.
ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4, 5 ones are 5, 6 ones are 6, 7 ones are 7, 8 ones are 8, 9 ones are 9, 10 ones are.
Very good, very good.
So
Now
anyone who is coming voice.
how to find factors? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. How to find factors? How to find factors? So finding factors. Is 3 a factor of 36? So what is the method of finding? What is the method of finding factor of 36? So we have to divide it by whenever we are going to
Perfect. Yes, 3 is a
whenever we are
factor
going
of
listen
36.
listen carefully. Whenever we are going to divide 36 by 3, so we will get answer 12 and remainder 0.
We do like this
So
also.
so 3
Like
is a
3
factor
ones
of
are 3
36.
and 2, 3 twos are 6, then 12. Like
Yes,
this.
yes,
You don't have to do divide also.
yes, yes. So the 3 is a factor of 36. Next, write all the factors of 24. See,
One
these are
multiply by itself, two,
hmm,
24 is itself, and 12 twos are 24, and 18, 8 threes are 24, 4
4 are 24, 1 24 are 24, 2 12 are 24.
yes, yes, yes. So these are factors of 24. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24 itself. So these are some factors of 24. We can multiply it likewise.
we will be
The
given second examples.
now divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. Anybody know
2 is
divisibility?
equal by 4, 6, So 2 is divisible by 4. So every even number 2 is divisible by every even number.
Yes, sir. Divisibility of 2 by 2. Divisibility by 2 is
2 is divisible by every even number.
yes. Every even number is divisible by 2, or at least in unit place there is a 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. In every number in unit place there should be 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. So the number will be the whole number will be divisible by 2. These are some examples: 14, 22, 36, 50, and 68. These are examples of divisibility, factors or multiples of 2 likewise. Anybody can give any example of which is divisible by 2?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Can I give you?
Yes.
88.
7 to the
88.
14.
Sir, 88 is divisible by 2.
Okay. 48. Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
50.
50 is
5,
there
And
rather than these
60.
examples.
60.
5 to the 10.
Very good. 60. 10 is also an example of divisible by 2.
4. Sir, 4 is also divisible
4,
by
In short, every even number is a divisible by.
2.
8 to the 16.
Very good. Next, divisibility by 3. Divisibility by
Number
3.
is divisible by 3.
So, if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. For example, we have given a 48.
Plus
So
8
is it a divisible by 3? So first of all, we have to
58
add
and
the
63.
digits of this number 4 plus 8. The answer is 12, and 12 is in a 3 table. 12 is in 3 table. So that's why 48 is divisible by 3. Likewise, 63. In 63 also, 6 plus 3. There is answer, or the sum of 6 plus 3 is 9. And 9 comes in a table of 3. So that's why 63 is also a divisible by 3. So every time, whenever we are going to add a digits of a number and we get a number which comes in a table of 3, the answer will be the number will be divisible by 3. Okay. This is a very simple and easy method to find out the divisibility by 3. Any number which can be divisible by 3 or not. Understand? Anybody give me any example which is divisible by 3?
Yes, sir. 12
12. Please explain.
and 18.
First
Sir,
of all,
18, 30.
okay,
And
I will give you one example. You tell me that is it divisible by 3 or not. Okay. 52. 52 is divisible by 3.
no, sir.
Why?
So guys, we will be adding 5 plus 2, then there will be coming 7.
Okay.
And it is not divisible by 2. It's
Very good. Now tell me 57.
7.
Divide.
Yes, sir, divisible by 3.
Very good, Will. 72.
72. Yes, sir, divisible by 3. 72.
Okay. 30.
30, 30. Yes, sir, divisible.
No,
Yes, sir, divisible by 3. 30 is divisible by 3.
I am asking 3030, not a 1313.
Sir, 3030 is divisible by 3. 3 times.
Very good. Okay, 14. 1414.
No, sir.
No, 14 is not divisible by 3 because 1 plus 4 it is answer is 5. 5 is not come in table of 3. Okay.
So 42. 4
42
plus
is
2, 6. 3 2
yeah,
are 6.
very good, very good. Now you better understand that how to find out the number which is divisible by 3. Okay, next. Divisibility by 5. This is a very simple divisibility rule.
Yes.
Divisibility by 5. If the last digit is 0 or 5, the number itself
Yes,
is
sir, I know.
divisible by
लास्ट
5.
में जहाँ पे 0 और 5 होगा वो 0 वो 5 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा
Yes, yes.
5 होगा
So 140, 355. These are some examples of
150.
very good, very good.
So please take another example.
Any example?
So please
For example, if 20 is also an example of
that
divisible.
20 is also divisible by 5.
Yeah, okay. 75,
75 is also.
78,
78 is not divisible by 5.
okay. 80,
180.
80.
80 is divisible by 5.
Very good. And 86,
86 is not divisible by 5.
95,
95 is divisible by 5.
100.
100 is divisible by 5.
Yeah, very good, very good. In the last digit or the unit place digit, it is also called a unit place digit, is 0 or 5. Next is divisibility by 10.
The
Divisibility
last number
by
जहाँ पे 0 रहेगा वो divisible by 5.
if the last digit is 0,
0.
last digit means the unit place number is 0. Unit place digit is
Yes, so this
0.
will be divisible by 10.
The whole number is divisible by 10. For example, 240, 550. These are some examples. Any example you can give?
Sir, 550
चल रहा है
Very good, very good.
चल रहा
and for 660,
मुंह धुलने दो
790.
Very good, very good. In every number there, yes, yes.
Another example.
150.
In every, yes, yes, yes. In every number, the last digit should be 0. The whole number will be divisible by 10.
Sir, please give another example.
Now tell me, the number 240 is divisible by 5 or not?
Divisible by
240 is divisible by 5.
Okay. Is divisible by
10.
3?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Divisible by 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Very good. So 240 is divisible by 2 also, divisible by 5 also, and divisible by 10 also. Now tell me, 450. 450. Listen carefully. 400. Is it divisible by 2? 450.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it divisible by 3?
No.
No or yes?
440.
450. I am asking 450.
50 is divisible.
Yes, it is divisible. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 9 comes in table of 3. So it is also divisible by 3. And divisible by 5 also, because at unit place there is 0. And it is also divisible by 10 because unit place is 0. Okay. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Everybody understand the divisibility rule of 2, 3, 5, 10, 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir. I better understand. What happened?
Now prime and composite number. So what is prime number and what is composite number? Okay.
The prime number which is divisible by itself.
Very good. The number with only two factors, one and itself, are called prime numbers. That is the number which is divisible by itself. Can you give me a number? Any example?
3, 5, 7,
Uh,
9.
9 is a prime number.
No, sir. 9 is not prime number. Sir, 11.
7.
These are some examples. That is 2 is also prime number. 1 and 2. These are factors of 2. 1 and 3. These are factors of 3. In every prime number, there is only two factors. Okay. Now composite number. Number with 3 or more factors are called composite numbers. The numbers with 3 or more factors are called composite numbers. So tell me any examples.
35.
35 and any
Sir, 35 is right. 35 is composite number.
35. Now tell me the factors of 35.
So,
Huh?
so what is mean by factor?
Factors 1, 5, 7 and 35. These are
Sir,
factors.
tell me what is factor?
1, for example, 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6. These are factors of 6. So that's why the factors are more than 3. So the 6 is composite number. Okay. Likewise 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are factors of number 12. So that's why 12 is also a composite number. Okay. So whenever there is more than 3 factors, so the number is called composite number. What is called composite number? Yeah. Can you give me any example?
14.
14. Okay. Tell me the factors.
Sir, 7, 2 and 7, 2 and 1 and itself.
Very good. 1, 2, 7 and 14. These are factors of 14. So that's why the 14 is a composite number. Okay.
So 15 is divisible by itself and 5 and 1.
Yes.
1, 15. It is also factor. 15.
Yes, 15. In 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15. These are factors of 15. So that's why 15 is a composite number. Okay. Understand? So do you understand the difference between prime number and composite number?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a table of 1 to 100, and in this table we have given a composite number and prime number. So the one is not a composite number nor a prime number. Okay, because 1 has only one factor, that is 1, and for prime number there should be 2 factors. How many factors should be there? 2 factors.
Prime number.
So that's why 1 is neither prime number nor a composite number. Always remember.
5 is prime number.
Now from 2 is a prime number.
Composite number.
True is a prime number. So why?
Prime number.
But why it is circle?
Why it is prime number and composite number is also.
Here is 2 is a prime number, but it is a even number. So 2 is only one number, only even number which is prime number. Otherwise, all the even numbers are composite numbers. The cross line which are drawn
Prime number.
in every composite number, there is a cross line. For
2,
example, 4.
3, 5, 7, and 9, not. So 11 this all is prime number.
Yes, yes, yes. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19,
The
21,
15
20.
is not a prime number.
15 is not a
Prime.
prime number.
You
Yes,
said
yes,
15 also.
yes, yes. Here is a printing mistake. So 15 is not a prime number. They have to cross the number. Okay. 15 is a composite number. Very good. 16 is a prime number. 70 composite number, and 17 is a prime number. So here are total 25 prime numbers. How many prime numbers are here?
25 prime numbers.
Yes, total 25 prime numbers. And how many composite numbers are here?
Composite numbers
31, 51, 61, 71.
Here are 74 composite number.
74 composite.
Yes, and 25 are prime numbers. So the prime numbers I am going to read. Listen carefully. From 2, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 57, 50, 59, 61, 67, 71, 79, 83, 87, 89, and 97. These are prime numbers. These are prime numbers. Total prime numbers are 25 and remaining numbers are composite numbers. Okay. So here is the homework. You have to answer these questions. That is question 1. Write all the prime numbers between 1 and 20. You have to take screenshot and complete this homework. Prime numbers between 1 to 20. Question 2 is write all the composite numbers between 21 and 50 and write 5 3-digit numbers that are multiple of 3. Okay. So today we have learned a chapter name is multiples and factors. I hope you clear all the concepts. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.